Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle is a binary puzzle. In this puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, July the 27th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the killer Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. So two puzzles are left, the jigsaw Sudoku, and you are interested in this one. Yes, it's the binary puzzle number 8977. 8977. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? This one, let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 ones. Alright. Yeah, that means that in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 ones. So let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one, double O, here one, there one, double O, here one, there one, double O, here one, there one. Now the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Well, between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. And now, well. Now I'm stuck. No, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in the last row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be one. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, correct. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then let me see. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between us, always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, so that box should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Finished in 4 minutes. Wow, this one is very quick to solve without comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. The fix. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.